welcome back. As you can see in this video, I have a LG monitor 22-inch. So its model is 22MP68VQ. So this is on a base stand. I will show you how you can remove this stand from this monitor. So first of all, we will need a flat screwdriver to remove this screw. The leg part come out. Now we need to remove this hinge. So in order to remove this hinge, if you notice, you will see some click in there. We need to just press it down with any flat small screwdriver. And this is the joystick. Those who struggle to find the user menu, so you can use this goes up and down on the side. By pressing this, you can turn off and basically everything on this joystick button. You can use a menu. Simply you just press down and pull the stand. It will just come out. So this is how you can remove base stand from this 22-inch monitor. So thank you very much for watching.